Hey, this is Ian Khan, and I'm here in Victoria, BC, Victoria, British Columbia, in Canada, at the Canadian Parking Association's 2019 conference. Now, the Canadian Parking Association is an association that serves the parking industry, parking operators, parking lots, management companies, vendors. Everybody is under one umbrella to ensure that the parking industry, the sustainable parking industry, is growing and is successful. Now, for those of you who are not from the parking industry, it might come as a surprise that parking is everywhere. Every city has a parking, every municipality, every town has a parking, and we don't pay a lot of attention to what happens in a parking lot because we go in, park our car, pay what we owe, and we leave. There's a lot more that happens in a typical parking lot or a parking situation than we actually see. There's a huge impact on the parking industry when it comes to emerging technologies, and this includes the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, smart cities, autonomous cars, and a bunch of other services and solutions that impact what the parking industry goes through. Today, here at CPA 2019, I'm presenting my documentary film, Blockchain City, as an eye-opener to the world of tomorrow and how blockchain can impact the parking industry worldwide. Smart parking is an idea and a concept that's fast-growing. But more than anything else, the idea that technology is impacting the world around us, and that has a profound impact on industries as a whole, needs to be embraced. Some of the thoughts that I will share in my session afterwards in a deep dive, and also during the screening of Blockchain City, is really what is the impact of emerging technology. That's number one. So we will talk about the emergence of smart cities of tomorrow, infrastructure that's powered by technology, infrastructure that's powered by different innovative solutions that are changing the lives of people, consumers, businesses that are out there in the main world that are doing something by serving others. And technology has a profound impact. Number two, I will talk about specific use cases on what blockchain is doing in terms of payments, in terms of payment gateways, in terms of ease of use, and how the car companies of tomorrow, automobile manufacturers, BMW, Ford, and everybody else to follow that, how they are utilizing the idea of digital wallets that are pre-built at an OEM level within cars, so that in order to power the automation that comes with technology, how automobiles will automatically be able to pay for services that they use, how interventionless, touchless, and no intervention is required to even pay for a parking spot when you occupy it tomorrow. And that's the world we are headed into. By far, the parking industry is very manual. It's very, it hasn't changed a lot from inside out, but it mostly follows the disruption that is created in industries outside, and then it tries to adopt to what it should be doing next. Some certain countries, Asia is a little bit forward, but in Americas we're a little bit behind when it comes to parking technologies and how it changes everything. We're also going to talk about the impact of not just wallets or payments or Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, but also how does this connected infrastructure of tomorrow that everybody is potentially using, how does that interface with autonomous cars, and what impact can that have on business in the future? And that's an emerging theme as well. In addition to that, of course, the changing demographic, changing people's needs, the general disruption in industry where we're headed is people will also buy less and less cars as we see how trends are supporting this idea. All that and more here today now at the Canadian Parking Association's 2019 annual conference. With respect to Blockchain City, the documentary is now also available on Amazon Prime Video. So if you go to Amazon Prime Video and look for Blockchain City, you will be able to see it there, and you will be able to watch it, view it, screen it. And if you are interested in us having talk about it, then please reach out. For now, disrupting the parking industry here in Canada, this is Ian Khan, and I will talk to you soon. and we'll definitely be live streaming later on as well. Take care and drive safe.